Welcome back guys to this second tutorial in our Blender designing. So today we're going to be move a little bit faster. We have 6 minutes and we are going to be learning how to make a simple table in Blender. In this we are going to learn how to extrude, to rotate and to create loop cuts. Let's get in. So first of all, we are going to first learn how to add an object in our interface. First of all, let us first press A. A is to select everything, and then we press X to delete, and then you delete. To add an object, you go up here, you press add, then mesh, then tube. So we'll be having our tube. Or what you can do, you can press Shift A to have this panel, then add tube. After adding this tube, we're going to grab it upwards a little bit. We are going to put it in the front view. You press 1 on the numpad. You press 1 to move our object in one direction, in one view, without changing to another view. Like for example, if you're in the front view, you press Shift and then the wheel button on the mouse, and then you move the object all around without changing the view. So we are going to scale this. Remember, I talked about scale on the Z axis. Scale it a little bit lower. You can follow up from the right low corner. Then we scale it on X axis. We change view. We press 3 to change to right side view. Then we grab it a little bit. So we are having this plane. To change to editing on this tube, we need to change the mode. Right now it's in object mode, so we have to change to edit mode. You come up here in the corner, you move to these different. There are very many different options here, so you select object mode, edit mode I mean, or else you can press tab. Tab goes from object to edit mode. So we are going to go in our top view. We press 9, and then we press tab to gain into our edit mode, and then we are going to change. Here we are having the select options. So here we are having edge select. Here we have, this is vertex select, this is edge select, and then this is face select. So if you want to work with edges, you press the edge select, or you can place 2. And if you want to select the vertex select, you want to select the vertex, you press 1. And if you want to select the face, you press 3. So we are going to work with edges. So we are going. The first thing we're going to do before we start up with modeling this plane is to create loop cuts. Loop cuts are the main important things in Blender modeling, because without loop cuts we can't do most of the works. So loop cuts are lines which cut out an object in 2 different portions. And to add a loop cut, we press Ctrl R. After pressing Ctrl R, you move your mouse to its center. You see that line, yellow line. You press left, and then you move your loop cut to anywhere you feel like. So since you are going to create a table, you can move it a little bit that side. So I'm going to be a little bit faster because I'm out of minutes. You can be following up on our left corner, right lower corner. So we're going to first remove this loop cut, and then we roll to make them 2. Then we scale them on Y to move them a little bit there. Then we press Ctrl R. You roll the mouse wheel. You left click, right click, scale on X. Have something like that. So we have created portions, different faces on our plane. So we go in the face select mode. You can press 3 all. You come up here. You select this face. You press shift. You select this face too, this face and this face. You press 1 to go in front view. So here we are coming up with extrusion. You press E to extrude. And then we have something like that. Then you toggle back to